Hello, third grade friends. Let's review some multiplication terms before we dive into our multiplication unit. The first term that I want to talk to you about is multiply or multiplication. When we multiply a number, it means that we are adding a number over and over again a specific amount of times. The definition in front of us says the operation of repeated addition of the same number. And they are showing in front of you 3 plus 3 plus 3. That means 3 is being added 3 times. So the multiplication problem is 3 times 3. Well, what if we added 3 another time? What if we did 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3? It would not be 3 times 3. It would be 3 times, how many 3's are there? 3 times 4. 3 times 4. So multiplication is adding a number over and over again a specific amount of times. Let's see the next definition we've got here. Factor. The factor are the two numbers that you multiply together to get the answer. Or in front of us it says the whole numbers, I'm sorry, getting ahead of ourselves. It says the whole numbers that are multiplied to get a product. So in front of us we have 8 times 6. Those two factors, we are adding 8 6 times, or we can add 6 8 times to get the answer of 48. So 8 and 6 are the factors. Those are the numbers we are multiplying together. Now let's talk about the product. The product is just the answer to multiplication problem. Very easy, product. If you think about maybe a factory that is creating things, they are creating an item. In a multiplication problem, we are creating an answer. So the product is the answer. Now, equal groups. This is one way we can represent multiplication, is by having groups that can contain the same number of objects. We have 3 groups, and there are 3 balls in each group. So the multiplication problem in front of us would be 3 times 3, because there's 3 groups, and there's 3 balls in each group. This is another way to represent multiplication in an array. And when we use an array for multiplication, we are arranging an object with equal rows and columns. In this array, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars in a row. And then let me count the columns. I see 1, 2, 3 stars in a column. So this multiplication problem is 6 times 3, because we're adding 6 3 times, or we are adding 3 6 times. We can see how we can highlight that there. So these are some vocabulary words that you will be hearing as we are going on through our multiplication unit. And if you ever need to review these words, please come back and watch this video.